Let me show you how to create multiple named ranges in Excel in just few seconds. Normally, if you want to create a name range, what you usually do is to select this column, for example, and then come to this name box to write the name that you want to give your range. Maybe you want to give it date, and you do what? You press enter. But let's imagine that you have 20 columns of data and you need to do this for every one of them. So to reduce the amount of time that you spend on doing it, I'm going to show you how to actually do it at once. The first thing we are going to do is to select all our data, Control A, then press Control Shift F3. So now with this F3 box that that we pressed, we have a box called name, create names from selection. So you are going to just untick this left column and leave the top row. What we are actually doing here is that we are telling the name box to actually use this as the name of the ranges that we want to create. So it's going to use date, product, category, and the likes for this. Then press OK. Now we have successfully created the name ranges at once. So I'm going to show you and how it actually looks now. Let's click this. So can you see over here? It has created it, giving it date. Same thing, you can do the same and check for product. So you see, that's giving it product. Now that you have all of this information, you can always go to your formulas over here to actually see all the name ranges that you have actually created in this maybe workbook or worksheet. So as you see we have date, we have region. So all of the columns have been created at once. You can either edit any one of them or you do what? Or you delete them depending of depending of what you want to do next later. But the concept of this video is to show you how to create everything at once. So yes, I hope this helps. If you find this insightful, don't forget to leave me a comment, like this video, and share for others to actually benefit. So I'm going to see you in the next video.